Hello, my name is Alan Hoxie. I'm an NFI certified expert with Woodland Direct, and today we're going to show you how to install the Fusion wood burning fireplace insert by Supreme. Our first step for installing this fireplace will be to level it. That can be done by opening the door and reaching in. You'll find 3 leveling feet, and you will screw them to adjust until you have a level firebox. If you would like, you can remove the fireplace door to make it easier to access the leveling feet. Our next step will be to measure the fireplace opening so that the insert will fit inside. This insert has a circulating chamber that goes around the fireplace itself. It can be adjusted to match the size of your opening of your actual masonry fireplace. To adjust the circulating chamber, first you notice the top right and the top left has wing nuts. You simply adjust the height and screw the wing nut in on both sides to lock it down to fit the height. You do the same thing on the sides, one on the left and one on the right, to adjust the overall width of the insert to match the masonry opening. The next step will be to slide the chimney sweeping cap off to the side. That can be accessed by opening the door, reaching in, popping the chimney cap up, and just moving it to the side. This fireplace comes with an integrated blower. You can choose to install the rheostat, which gives you full speed control of the blower if you would like. Otherwise, it'll be operated on a heat sensor. That can be found on the front left corner right here. Our next step would be to install the liner. The liner is purchased separate from the actual fireplace insert itself, and it requires a professional to assist with the installation. Our next step will be to install the handle. The door has an existing frame for the handle. What you'll do is unscrew the couple of screws on the new handle, line up the new handle with the frame on the door, and simply screw through the frame into the handle, and then you're set. Finally, let's remove the plastic from the door. And that is everything you need to know about installing your Fusion wood burning fireplace insert by Supreme. If you have any questions, please give us a call at 800-919-1904 or look us up online at www.woodlanddirect.com. Thank you.